Home Show.
Michael from Willowbrook has a question about insulation replacement.
He's struggling to keep his house cool, Tom. Here's the problem. Michael writes, what I'd like to know is, should we vacuum out old insulation and seal light fixtures before blowing in new insulation? We've been told it's not necessary since we don't have a rodent problem. How effective is a radiant barrier, by the way? And lastly, what's your opinion on solar vents?
First off, radiant barrier, yes. Do you need to go through all that? No. Is it almost August? Today is, I don't know. When are we going to...
Saturday?
No, I mean, we're getting... This is the time of year I get these questions about.
Right.
My house is hot.
We should explain we're recording this on August. We should explain we're recording this on July 30th. So it's hot. Yeah.
Okay, well, I need to pay my rent. Anyway.
And I need to write you a check.
No, I'm good. I got money. Every year I get questions about, it's really hot out. It's usually right between July 30th or August 31st. Turn your air conditioner on.
That's it.
Turn it down, and if it doesn't work, you need a bigger air conditioner.
But I mean, he's going to go ahead and replace his insulation, Tom. The first question, first and foremost, does he remove the old before putting new in, or just pile on top?
I haven't seen it, so I'm going to say probably just put it on top is what we would do. Mm-hmm. But the fact of the matter is, if you really, and I read this question quite carefully, if you really read the question, he wants his house to be cooler.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting at, Charlie. I mean, right. I'm telling you.
Insulation doesn't cool your house.
It is August. Insulation does not cool a house. Insulation helps the air conditioner
and neither does an attic vent, solar or otherwise, is not going to cool your house.
It'll make the air conditioner work less.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But you have to have an air conditioner that is sized properly. And I tell people, get the air conditioner the right size, get it in your home. You've never given me a question once, Charlie, about your own house, about your air conditioner. So I assume you have 175 tons. Me, I get mine.
No, I have a system that was designed and installed by Absolute Comfort Air, and I have no air conditioning problems.
Exactly. But if you added more insulation, if you had to, I don't know if you need to. If you added more windows, more efficient windows, if you put more radiant barriers in, if you did this, it would just work a little less.
Yep.
And so it would cost you less. But that is what's happening right now. And I think it's our most common question right now, if you want to know the truth.
Yeah. Why is my house so hot? Have you been outside? Exactly.
If I insulate my garage, I want it to be cooler. Well, you know what? Air condition it.
Well, and I've heard you say that if you insulate your garage, it can actually make it hotter.
Well, at night, the heat can't get out from the whole day it was in. And so what do you expect it to do? Yeah. So the only 33 years of doing this show, you can answer this question. They need a bigger.
And to your point, Tom, the only exception I think you would agree would be the rule is if he has cellulose insulation up there, that does have to go before he puts blown-in fiberglass on top of it.
Oh, I think if you were going to re-insulate your attic, you would like to clean it up and have a nice clean environment up there for the new insulation. There's no doubt about it, but it will not cool
the house better. But if he's adding fiberglass on top of fiberglass, you can just blow more in there.
Or you can add fiberglass on cellulose. But
I thought you had to get the cellulose out.
That's what you can do. But
so you don't have to get the cellulose out? Or you do? Do you have to get the cellulose out before you put fiberglass in? Nope. Or just pile on top? Okay. Yep. That's a different answer. All right.
Here's the problem. You just don't want it getting in your house. That's why they're talking about sealing everything. You don't want all that dust because cellulose becomes really dusty. So, we can get into a whole different discussion. But the fact of the matter is insulation does not cool a home.
That's the fact of the matter. All right.
Yeah.
In any event, if you'd like to get a question on the show, all you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in. We'll answer it just like this in a video that we post on our Facebook page, our website, and our YouTube channel. If you subscribe and click that bell, do it today.